Hello, I'm Brayden, and I'm going to be showing you how to find the coordinates of an intersection using the graph.
You have it. You just not looking.
So first, you're going to go to y equals to type in your lines, and the first line we'll be using is x squared plus 4x minus 10. Our second line, we'll have x plus 5. After you click enter, they should submit, and then you'll click graph. Once your graph has loaded in, you're gonna want to click the blue second and trace. After you have all these listed here, you want to scroll down using the arrow to intersect, because we're finding the intersect, and click enter. You'll notice you have a little bug or cursor going up the first line. So go to the first intersection over here and get as close as you can to it, and then click enter. Once you get it, it should show down here what your intersection is, and then you can go to your other one of the second intersection, get as close as you can, and enter, and that should be your intersection.